Help!
Fucking bull. My son. This is what this.
Stop! You owe me all the times I could suck your dick. I'll fucking suck your dick. I'll fucking suck your dick. You want me to shit? I'll eat your fucking shit. I am the
No.
Come on, squirt. Yes!
Your access to everything.
You cunt!
Oh, hey, having a double whip. Just like molasses winter today. Well, good morning. How are you doing this sport? Let me just make this quick, please. I'll slightly. Bless both your hearts for being here. I'm more cut the BS. Go to Bob says he's gonna pass nutbag. Go to Bob's anti-soup laws in his nutbag and in his first 100 nutbag.
I think that it's important. I'm not literally.
We're gonna take a quick break.
Comes out a bag, isn't it?
Hey! Fuck off! Hey, fuck off! I worked my whole life to keep that secret. Fuck off! Sage said.
Fuck